Welcome to the C tutorial guys. In our previous video we have learned how to print this triangle. In this video we will be learning how to print this triangle by using only one printf statement. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to copy the next line and we are going to paste it here. So let's do that. So here it is written \n. So I am writing here \n on the first line next to whatever is written, and now let's run this code. And as you can see, this is a space, which means that we have to remove it or we can make it as a comment. And as you can see, this is now a correct one because I have made this as comment and we have got the correct result in the terminal. So here I am writing the solution for that. We are going to copy and then definitely we are going to be pasting in the first line, and whichever line we have copied we are going to make it as comment. So now let's do that. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and I'm going to make it a comment as per these instructions. And now let's run this code to verify if the triangle is printed correctly or not, and it is printed correctly. So we are going to repeat this step. We are going to copy the line and paste in the first line and making that line as a comment. So let's do that for the rest of the lines, and I am alongside running the code in order to verify that we are doing the correct job. And we are only left with the last one. So let's copy that and paste it here and make it as comment. And now let's run this code, and as you can see in the terminal we have correct results. So now we can either remove it or we can remain these lines as comment. It doesn't matter. If you want to keep those lines saved, you can keep it or you can remove it. So that's how we can use only one printf line in order to print the whole triangle in the terminal. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching.